Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix Spectrum TV login problem. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Click Settings, click Apps, click App Management, find Spectrum TV app, click Spectrum TV app, click Storage Use, click Clear Data. If you clear data, you need to log in your account again. Click OK. Click Back. Click Force Stop. Then open Google Play Store. Click search bar, then type Spectrum TV. Click Spectrum TV. If you get any update, please update. Then log in your Spectrum TV account. If your problem is not resolved after following all the steps, then understand the server is down now. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.